Hello guys, how are you? My name is Marcos Semberman. Here I am working on an assignment for the language and form course. Well, the topic I chose for the word formation course is for the word formation chapter is blending. Okay, so I'm going to be working on blending. All right, let's start. Well, my PPP presentation, I started the presentation with a joke. All right, it's just a joke, as you can see. Well, the character says, "This is very strange," he asks himself. "If a vegetarian is someone who eats vegetables, what does that make him? A humanitarian?" Well, it's kind of like funny because there are some words, human and vegetarian, so humanitarian. That's kind of like to warm up and start introducing the concept of blending. All right, let's go to our explanation, which is in our third slide. Okay, we have two images here. First image is breakfast, all right? Breakfast, and the second image is lunch. So we have breakfast plus lunch. What is the result of combining breakfast and lunch? I'm not talking about food, guys. I'm talking about syntax. So we have the word breakfast and highlighted in red. We have BR, and the word lunch highlighted in red. We have UNCH, unch. So we link them together, and the result is brunch. All right, it's a combination between two words, and then there is a new word that comes up from that process. So this technique is called blending. So what is blending? In other words, just joining two words together, some part of each word, as you know, as you can see in the picture, in the slide, and the result will be a new word. Normally, the result is a combination actually of the two words. So what is breakfast and lunch? Is brunch. It's some food in which you have some things for breakfast and some things for lunch. All right. So that is what blending means. Very simple, right? Okay, let's go to our next slide. It will show you some common examples of blending of this technique. Okay, we have two words, mother and hotel. We have mo and tell from hotel. And what is the result? Motel. All right. So we have other words here, smoke plus fuck. The result is smog. Work and alcoholic. What is the result? The new word form is workaholic. And then we have uh, the common word that we all know, webinar. It comes from joining together web plus seminar. Okay, guys, let's go to our next slide. Okay, yeah. All right, that's all. Oh well, I'm gonna give you some other examples of this fun technique. You know the word Spanglish, very common word. Well, it comes from mixing up Spanish and English, so the result is Spanglish, right? So now you know that every time you say Spanglish, you are pretty much blending up, using the blending technique, joining two words together to form a new one. Okay, we have Spanglish. We also have, for example, the word advertisement and entertainment. When they're put together, the result is advertainment. All right, advertainment. Okay, well, guys, this is it. It has been, so we have fantastic and we have freaking. It has been fun, freaking tastic to share this PP presentation with you. I hope you like it. Bye bye. Stay tuned.